Hey guys, welcome to Nasike's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment, and share. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe on how to make sweet potato mini cakes. The ingredients that I'm going to use are medium-sized boiled sweet potato, sugar, and multi-purpose flour. In a bowl, I'm going to add the sweet potatoes, then I'm going to mash using a fork. After that, I'll be adding some flour as I continue kneading or mixing until it forms the dough. And ensure before mixing with your hands they're clean. So I'll be like massaging the dough. As I keep on adding the flour, then I'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar and keep on mixing and mixing and mixing. Then I'll be forming like a dough. You can see how it looks. As I set them aside, there they are. On my cooking pot, I'm going to add the cooking oil. Then let it heat for some time, for about a minute, and then I add my doughs. I have to create some space for the other doughs also. So I'll let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll be turning. And I would want them to look golden. Then they'll be good to go. And guys, this is a very simple recipe. You can try it out, especially if you've been eating boiled sweet potatoes and you're tired. You can try out this recipe. You'll really love it. They came out very nice, very yummy, very sweet, and very delicious. Don't they look amazing? You can see how lovely they are. They are ready. You should try out this recipe and let me know how they turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.